Brian, the tropics right now, they're quieting down. We've had Gaston drop of our tropics radar, just one area of interest. But what we're really focused on, like we're talking about, is Tropical Storm Ian. The last update just a couple minutes ago has upped this. You can see it's already looking more organized than it was earlier this evening. Winds of 65 miles an hour with hurricane force gusts. You can see there's already some hurricane warnings out for the western tip of Cuba, as that's expected to reach major hurricane status as Ian passes over the western tip of Cuba. That's as it goes through a period of rapid intensification due to very warm waters and low wind shear. So it's really going to ramp up in intensity as it heads into the Gulf, getting to Category 4 status by Wednesday morning as of the last forecast. And you can see the spread of the cone is still pretty wide up here. That's because of the uncertainty with the forecast, though it is shifting towards the western Florida and the West Florida panhandle. Just showing you some of that uncertainty. Here's the European model hitting Tampa early Thursday morning, whereas the GFS, a different computer model, hits more towards the Big Bend of Florida Friday early morning. Here's what those three models look like compared together. The GFS towards the north, the European to the south, as the NHC is in the middle. Earlier this afternoon, it was a little bit further south. I do want to point out, though, the further north that this storm gets, the more torn apart it's going to be by wind shear. So the further north and west the storm gets, the weaker it will be at landfall. Brian.